Hello friends, today we will learn class 10 chapter 1 um, chemical reactions. It is based on NCERT syllabus. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon button to receive further notifications. So let's start.
Okay, the question arises, silver metal is dipped in copper nitrate, no reaction takes place. Silver metal is less reactive than copper. The answer. Silver Ag plus copper nitrate is CuNO3 twice, no reaction takes place. A silver spoon is kept immersed in an aqueous solution of copper sulfate. What changes could be observed in the spoon and the solution? No change will be observed in the silver spoon and aqueous solution of copper sulfate because silver is less reactive than copper. So will not replace the copper from copper sulfate solution. This is the figure for sodium sulfate solution is mixed with barium chloride solution. What happens when 5 ml of sodium sulfate solution is mixed with 3 ml of solution of barium chloride solution in a test tube? When solution of barium chloride react with solution of sodium sulfate, there is a formation of white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed along with the sodium chloride. The formula BaCl2 react with sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. There is a formation of BaSO4 and 2 molecules of NaCl. Why does the color of copper sulfate solution changes when an iron nail is dipped in it? When an iron nail is placed in a copper sulfate solution, iron displaces the copper to form copper sulfate solution, forming iron sulfate, which is green in color. Therefore, the blue color of copper sulfate solution fades to green color appears. What is double displacement reaction? Reaction in which ions are exchanged between two reactants, forming two new compounds, are called double displacement reaction. AB is the one reactant, CD is the another reactant. There is a formation of AD plus CB. The example of double displacement reaction: barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate. There is a formation of white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed along with the sodium chloride. The chemical formula BaCl2 react with sodium sulfate, BaSO4, barium sulfate, and 2 molecules of sodium chloride is formed. What happens when a china dish containing 1 gram of copper powder is heated? The surface of the copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide. Oxygen is added to the copper and copper oxide is formed. 2 molecules of copper, Cu, plus oxygen, 2 molecules of copper oxide is formed. A china dish containing 1 gram of copper powder is heated. State the color of the reactant and the product of the chemical reaction. The color of the reactant is brown color. Copper oxide is the product formed, that is in black color. B question. Write the chemical equation involved. 2 molecules of copper combines with oxygen O2. There is a formation of 2 molecules of CuO, copper oxide. Third question. Can we reverse the reaction? Write the equation involved. It can be reversed. That is CuO plus hydrogen. There is a formation of Cu plus H2O. And once again, if you react Cu plus H2O, there is a formation of CuO plus H2. Hydrogen gas is passed over copper oxide. Here there is a china dish, it containing copper powder. If you, with the help of burner and triplet stand and wire gauze, you put it and start the burner. The hydrogen gas is passed over copper oxide. The black coating on the surface turns brown and copper is obtained. CuO plus hydrogen gas, there is a formation of Cu plus water. What is oxidation reaction? Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen from a compound is known as oxidation reaction. Two molecules of Cu plus one molecule of oxygen, there is a formation of copper oxide. There is a addition of oxygen to copper. One more example, hydrogen sulfide reacts with iodine. There is a formation of two molecules of hydrogen iodide and sulfur is removed. Some oxidation reaction in daily life. Shiny iron articles on exposure to moist air get rusted. That is the first oxidation reaction in daily life. And copper articles on exposure to air to get coated with a greenish layer. Third reaction, silver article when exposed to air become black. Fats and oils in food left for a long time to get oxidized. What is oxidizing agent? The definition of oxidizing agent, the compound which can add oxygen or removal of hydrogen are known as oxidizing agent. Example, chlorine. Reduction reaction. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen from a compound is called reduction reaction. For example, chlorine react with hydrogen, there is a formation of two molecules of HCl. And one more example, copper oxide react with hydrogen. Copper plus water is formed. There is a removal of oxygen from copper oxide. Reducing agent. What do you mean by reducing agent? Compounds or elements which can cause reduction are called reducing agent. For example, hydrogen sulfide. Is burning of magnesium is a oxidation reaction or reduction reaction? This question arises. Magnesium ribbon burns in oxygen of air to form magnesium oxide. So magnesium is oxidized to magnesium oxide. Two molecules of magnesium, one molecule of oxygen, there is a formation of two molecules of magnesium oxide. Redox reaction. It is a chemical reaction. If oxidation and reduction both takes place simultaneously, then it is known as redox reaction. For example, when copper oxide reacts with hydrogen, there is a formation of copper plus water. Hydrogen is gaining, oxygen is being oxidized, then it is known as this. Both the reactions occur simultaneously, then it is known as redox reaction. A brown substance X on heating in air forms a substance Y. Hydrogen gas is passed over heated Y. It changes back to X. Name the X and Y substance. X is a copper and Y is a copper oxide. And second question, name the type of chemical reaction occurring during both the chain. Oxidation, reduction reaction. And third question, write the chemical equation. The answer is two molecules of copper reacts with one molecule of oxygen. There is a formation of two copper oxide. This copper oxide once again react with hydrogen. There is a release of copper and water molecule is released. Identify the substance that are oxidized and the substance that are reduced in the following reaction. 4 molecules of sodium, that is Na, is oxidized as it gains the oxygen and oxygen get reduced. For example, 4Na plus O2, 2Na2O is formed. Identify the substance that are oxidized and the substance that are reduced in the following reaction. Copper oxide reacts with hydrogen. There is a formation of copper plus water. Copper oxide CuO is reduced to copper while hydrogen gets oxidized to water. Rusting of iron. The process in which iron particle gets coated with a reddish brown powder when exposed to moist air is called rusting of iron. What is rust? Rust is a chemical hydrated iron oxide, and its formula is Fe2O3 2H2O. What is corrosion or define corrosion? When a metal is exposed to substance around it such as moisture, acid, etc., for some time a layer of hydrated oxide is formed. This process is called corrosion. The problems of corrosion. Corrosion damages the car body. Second problem, it damages the metal bridge and iron railing. It damages the ship-made metal. Why do we apply paint on the iron article? These iron articles are painted because it prevents them from rusting. When painted, the contact of iron article from moisture and air is cut off. Hence, rusting is prevented. So, presence of air and moisture is essential for rusting to take place. Why do we apply paint on iron article? This question arises. Because while applying paint, we can prevent the rusting. What is rancidity? The oxidation of fats and oils when exposed to air is known as rancidity. Fresh oil undergoes oxidation. There is a formation of rancid oil. Substance which prevents the oxidation is called antioxidants. Those sources of antioxidant, for example, banana, kiwi, apricot, for a number of examples are there for that. What happens when food becomes rancid? When food items become rancid, their smell and taste changes. Methods to prevent rancidity: keeping food in airtight container, filling an inert gas like nitrogen in packet containing food items, by adding antioxidant, to prevent potato chips from oxidation. Manufacturer removes oxygen and fill it with the inert gas like nitrogen. Thank you.
So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to receive further notifications. You will get more videos. Thank you guys.